हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक माय चैनल लाइव 5.2K व्यूज़। आज हम लोग डार्क रूम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। डार्क रूम हैज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेस इन ए रेडियोलॉजी. इट इज़ अ बेसिकली प्रोसेसिंग रूम where unexposed film are loaded in cassette and film are proceed after exposure. Dark rooms construction dry and wet side defeat X-ray film, film quality, intensifying screen and cassette and processing film. A dark room also is called processing room. It is a place where loading of unexposed and proceed exposed film is done. Location: it should be located adjacent to radiographic room to save time. If more than one radiography room, it should be in central location. It should not be located in a hot and dumb basement. Size: the dark room size should be large enough to all necessary equipment without overcrowding. Ideally, 100 square feet floor space and 11 feet of ceiling height needed. Building initial radiation production: the wall of dark room should have proper lead equivalent so that the radiation from adjacent radiographic room could not produce fogging of film. The lead is equivalent 1.5 mm thickness of lead is sufficient work up to 100 kV. B. Floor: that floor of dark room should be protect from substance, stain free, non slippery and easy cleanable. Natural clay and ceramic tiles are. C. Wall covering: the color of wall do not have to be dark. It should be reflect maximum safe light. The wall should be covered with chemical resistant material such as special paint, varnish, concrete and ceramic tile. Ventilation: air condition is ideal, but electric fan is also used in as a ventilation in radiological room. Passbook is an important place of radiology. It has two light tight and X-ray proof doors that are interlocked that both cannot be opened at the same time. It is divided two compartments. One is exposed and other one is unexposed. The dark room entrance is simplest type single door which must be made of light tight and should be have an inside lock prevent opening will film or proceed. Another types of entrance is small hall and two electric interlocked doors so designed that one door cannot be opened until the another is completely closed, thereby prevent to be entrance of light. The most important चीज़ क्या होती है हमारा इल्यूमिनेशन ऑफ डार्क रूम इल्यूमिनेशन इज सेफ लाइट पे डिपेंड करती है. सेफ लाइट: इट शुड बी प्रोवाइड सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. ये क्या होती है? सोर्स ऑफ लाइट होती है विच डज नॉट प्रोड्यूस फॉग इन फिल्म एंड प्रोवाइड illumination for loading unloading proceed of film. Safe light lamps with a filter of proper such colors as a written series 6B ordinary X-ray film label. Working distance at least 3 feet from safe light and usually bulb with wattage indicated of lamp housing usually less than 15 watts should be used. Safe light two types की होती है, direct shape light and indirect shape light. Direct shape light falls directly on the work surface, should be synced to minimum distance 1.2 meter from the working distance. ठीक है. Best type light for loading and unloading area. Indirect safe light: direct of the light towards the ceiling which is reflect light back into the room. It is intent to provide general illumination of dark room. Suspended at least 2.1 meter above the floor level. ये लीव हमारे लोडिंग के लिए यूज़ होती है. 1 फॉर एवरी 6.1 mm फ्लोर स्पेस. The dark room has a two side. One is a dry side, another one is a wet side. The dry side consists of loading bench, compartment for cassette, film bin, storage of reserve film, and hanger. And wet side consists of three tanks of solution. One is a developer, and second is a rising tank, and third one is a fixture, and other one is a cleaning of film. The water continue water tank, washing tank जिसको बोलते हैं. एंड अगर आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसके कंपोनेंट जानने हैं कि कैसे फिल्म को डेवलप किया जाता है तो हमारे कमेंट करिए ताकि हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसके बारे में आपको एक्सप्लेन कर सकें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई चैनल एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड लाइक द वीडियो एंड शेयर।